To connect Phantom Wallet to Ledger, start by ensuring you have the necessary hardware and software. You will need a Ledger device, a computer with internet access, and the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. First, go to the Phantom Wallet website and click on the download link to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create or Restore a Wallet. Next, open the Ledger Live application on your computer and connect your Ledger device to your computer. Using a USB cable, ensure your Ledger device is unlocked and in the dashboard section of the Ledger Live application. Now, navigate to the Manager section in the Ledger Live application and search for the Solana application. If it is not already installed, click the Install button to download and install the Solana application on your Ledger device. After installing the Solana application, return to the Phantom Wallet extension in your browser. Click on the Settings icon and select Connect Hardware Wallet. Choose Ledger as your hardware wallet and select Solana as the account type. You will then be prompted to enter your Ledger device PIN and confirm the connection on your Ledger device. Once connected, you can view your account balance and transaction history in the Phantom Wallet extension. To send or receive Solana or other Solana-based tokens, simply navigate to the Send or Receive section in the Phantom Wallet extension. Enter the recipient address and amount, and confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. Best practices for securing your Phantom Wallet and Ledger device include using a strong PIN, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your Ledger device and Phantom Wallet extension up to date with the latest software versions. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely connect your Phantom Wallet to your Ledger device and manage your Solana-based assets with confidence.